back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to write SEO optimized blog post with AI. So let's get started. So in these days AI is very popular and everyone wants to write content using AI so they can save their time, but there are some disadvantages as well. So let's talk about advantage, disadvantage, and how you can write content using AI. So first, Google hate too much AI content. So in short, if I say AI content is fine for Google and Google SEO and ranking, but if you write content using AI excessively, then it can damage your website. So in the latest Google update, Google hits many AI generated content websites, so you have to be very careful. Poor quality AI content written on large scale can give you a Google penalty. So there are some links where Google write down some guidelines for this. You can read them and I will explain it in the other slides as well. So this is the spam policy, if you can see, and this line will tell you many of the things. Using generative AI tools or other similar tools to generate many pages without adding value for users, right? Suppose you are writing a content using AI. What AI does, it use content from internet and write it in their way. That's the AI content. There is no unique value or additional value in it. So it's basically scrap content with attractively written, but it doesn't have much value, or I mean it should be users, it should be for users, beneficial for users, otherwise there is no benefit of the content. So what you can do to fix it? First of all, what you can do, uniqueness. Actually AI content is generated with the help of already written content on the internet, so there is nothing new and additional in it. You have to add some unique values. How you can add? You can add your own research, case studies, examples. Make sure it is helpful for users. Don't write content for Google. So the same thing I already told you. So you have to add some unique value and your research, your experiments, right? Step 2, use AI but written and reviewed by human. So if you write a content, you have to review it, because AI does not provide 100% accurate content, and sometimes it repeats same things. It might create low quality content, so you have to review it or rewrite it. Do not write whole content using AI. Find topics, headings, subtopics, subheadings, template, structure using AI. Mainly do your content research using AI, but write it by your own manually. Some people use 60-40 formula, 60% content written by human and 40% written by AI. But I would recommend rewrite and review your whole AI content by your own. So AI detectors can't able to detect that it's an AI content. So what is happening? Some experts mentioned that Google and other search engines use AI detectors, so they can find out it's a AI content or not, and then they can give some spam score or something. So you have to rewrite it by your own and use less AI in the content as much as possible, and you can use 60-40 formula. So this is the summary of this content. You can use few sites for this, such as Grammarly, Quillbot, Copy Leaks, So these are the AI detectors, or you can make AI content as well, these websites. So try these sites. So this is a simple blog post format. You can ask AI to create some kind of format for you. So I created this. So title should be their introduction, main content, then FAQ, then conclusion and summary, and then you have to use call to action, CTA button. So this is a simple format. I asked to AI and it created. Don't publish too frequent. So publishing AI content too frequent with low quality or with thin content can damage your SEO traffic. I think it's common sense that good research content takes time, and Google understands this. Don't publish more than 2-3 blogs per week. So this is the recommendation, I think. Step number 4, follow EAT. So what is EAT exactly? Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Experience means, does the creator have first hand or life experience with the subjects? So a review of a product written by someone who actually used it. So actually someone experienced it. Expertise, does the content demonstrate professional or deep knowledge of the topic? Example, a medical article written by a qualified doctor. So content written by a topic expert is recommended according to it. Is the creator or website recognized as a trusted source in the field? Example, citations, backlinks, brand reputation, credentials. You can add trusted brands or links in your articles to proof your links. You can use images, you can use research, states, graphs, so many things. So make it more authoritative. Trustworthiness, is the content reliable, accurate, and honest? Example, transparent sourcing, no misleading claims, secure website, HTTPS, New York Times for news. So trustworthiness, suppose if you are seeing a news article and it's from New York Times, that means it's trustworthy because it has name in news industry. New York Times has their name in news industry, so that kind of trust Google follow. So we should add some FAQ section. So searches are increasingly shifted to question answer based queries, and AI platform are following the same structure. So use Google Trends, Quora, Reddit, etc. platform for question answer query research. So FAQ is the best thing, I think you can add. You can use FAQ schema. Sometimes Google show it on Google search engine result page. If still you want 100% AI content, so I want to share one tip. Search your topic on Google, collect top 3 URLs, give them to AI, and ask to make a good content using these 3 topics or 3 pages. Review and add some unique value. These are the best content by Google, so you can get great AI content using it. Not recommended, but you can try it for new or low budget websites. Final thoughts, AI content is not recommended. It's basically beautifully designed scrap content. AI tools uses already written content and restructure it. So there is no unique value for Google and users. So content should be written by an expert of the topic. Make your own identity. You can use AI tools for the research. These tools can save your research time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can share some links in the description so you can have more details. Thank you so much.